Good day, class. Today we are going to continue with square and square root of numbers. Now last week you learned about squares. Squaring a number. When we square a number, we write it like this. 3 squared. This means 3 multiplied by 3, or 3 multiplied by 3 twice, or 3 multiplied by itself. Now 3 squared is 3 multiplied by 3, which gives us the product of 9. This 9 here is considered a square number. Okay, so last week we learned that. We learned 4 4 is 16. So the square number there is 16. 5 5s are 25. 25 being the square number. So today we are going to learn the reverse of it. So when we square a number, remember, we multiply that number by itself. Today we are going to learn about the square root. And this is this symbol here for square root. What is square root? Well, basically square root is finding the original number that was multiplied by itself to give us that square number. Remember earlier I said 9 is a square number. So if I wanted to find out what is the square root of 9, there are 2 methods we could use. Method number 1, which is to memorize square and square roots. That's all. So we know 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Therefore, the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So square root means to find that original number that was multiplied by itself to give us 16. So here you can see the symbol again. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. The next method we could use is called prime factorization of the number. Now remember last week we did prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Just a reminder. Prime factorization is finding all the prime factors of a number. Meaning that when we multiply all these prime factors, we should get back the original given number. So here the given number is 16. Let's prime factorize it. So we start with 2 because 16 is an even number. 2 into 16 is 8. Then we divide again. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1, and we stop there. So the prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Now when you prime factorize and you get two pairs of the same number, this is where we use these pairs to find the square root of that number. So here we have a pair of 2s, 2 2s 4, again 2 2s 4. 4 4s will give me 16. Therefore, the square root of 16 is 4. So here you have it. You could use any of these 2 methods. Method number 1 is just to memorize the square and the square roots. And you will see in your Google Classroom that I have uploaded a sheet for you to memorize. You could use that as well. Or you could use method number 2 to prime factorize. Whichever method you use, just be comfortable with it. So I hope you all understand this, and let's go to page number 38 and do activity 2, numbers 1 to 9, and then we will correct that on Zoom at 10 a.m. Goodbye.